for more lessons. So we are still in the book, Speak Out Elementary. Now, before anything else, I would like to ask you a few questions. So you can pause the video so that you'll have time to answer my questions, okay? So question 1, when was the last time you were late in an appointment? And question 2, why were you late? Okay, so after answering those questions, we will now continue with today's chapter. It is 9.4 and the title for this chapter is Airport. Okay, so this is a DVD chapter, and if you haven't watched the DVD yet, you can actually go to YouTube and search Speak Out Elementary Unit 4 DVD, alright? And if you have your book with you, you can open it up on page 94 to follow us with the review. Okay, so the first part, DVD preview, that is 2A in your book. Okay, so these are the steps in trying to go to the airport. Okay, so let's try to read. First one is check in. It is like registering. Okay, you register for your flight. So next one is the plane takes off. Of course, the plane will go. Okay, wait in the departure lounge. Okay, departure lounge, it is like a place where the passengers wait. Okay, next, get on the plane. Of course, ride the plane. Go to the departure gates. Okay, it is actually where the place before you board the plane, before you ride the plane. Okay, do some tax-free shopping. Of course, you can actually do shopping. What is good is it is tax-free. That means it is cheaper than the price in the city. Okay, and last one, go through passport control. Of course, they need to check your passport if your passport is good or not. Okay, so now let's try to review first. Okay, the first one that you need to do is, of course, you need to check in. Okay, you need to check in your luggages. You need to register, right, your name. Okay, the next one is go through passport control. Okay, go through passport control. They need to check if your passport is good or not. Okay, next one is, let me check. Okay, wait in the departure lounge. Okay, so you wait there, you wait for your flight. All right, and the next one is, yes, you can actually do some shopping. All right, it's up to you. All right, do some shopping, do some tax-free shopping. And next is go to the departure gates because you're about to board the plane. And board the plane. Okay, all right, get on the plane. And of course, the last one is the plane takes off. All right, so let's try to review the pronunciation of each phrases, and you can repeat after me or you can read with me. Okay, let's start. Check in. The plane takes off. Wait in the departure lounge. Get on the plane. Go to the departure gate. Do some tax-free shopping. Go through passport control. Alright, so if you want to review again, you can pause the video and rewind. Okay, so now let's go to the part 2, DVD view. Okay, let's try to discuss the words that are written here. So I will try to explain the meaning. So you can open your book on page 95. Okay, the words and the sentences are there. All right. Now it's still 94. I'm sorry. Okay. So let's try to discuss. The first word is queuing. Okay, queuing. That means it's like waiting time. Queuing. Okay. Next, making phone calls. Of course, trying to call somebody, all right? Making phone calls. Reading a newspaper, yes, simply reading a newspaper. Playing chess, okay, chess is like a board game, okay? Board game, all right? Chess. Sleeping everywhere, okay, so you sleep everywhere there. Arguing at a check-in desk, okay? Arguing, it's like there are two people with different opinions, so they try to argue, okay? Check-in desk is where you, right, register, okay? Eating pizza. Skateboarding, of course, you do the skateboard, okay? Skateboard, the board with wheels, okay? So these are the activities that is happening in the airport, okay? So let's try to read again. Queuing, making phone calls, reading a newspaper, playing chess, sleeping everywhere, arguing at a check-in desk, okay? Arguing at a check-in desk. Eating pizza. Skateboarding, okay? Again, you can pause the video and rewind if you want to review more on the pronunciation, alright? So that's it for today, but before I let you go, I want to ask you some questions. Okay, so first question, have you traveled by plane before? Okay, if yes, tell me about your first time traveling by plane. If no, then if you have a chance, do you want to travel by plane? And where do you want to go? Okay, so try to answer my questions in the comments below. You can write it down. And you can also tell me your answers by visiting me here in Royal English. Okay, and tell me your answers personally. Alright, so again, my name is Mark, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.